French kiss. French kiss. Want it now, put it down. What you waiting for? French kiss.
Welcome with Cooking with Joe. So for today's video, we'll be making vegan cheese. So over here, I have 2 cups of cooking overnight. Over here, I have 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, but for today I'll be using 2 whole cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and over here I have 2 whole bell peppers, but I think I'll be using 1 today, or I might use half red, half yellow. Then I have a whole garlic and 2 cloves. So I might be... All I want to say is I had one job. I'm using half of this onion. So first, you grab your blender. And you put the cashews inside the blender. To the side. And we are pouring the cashews. In the blender. Next, we'll be adding the nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of, I might use half of the garlic powder, since I'm adding garlic. I'm adding the fresh onion. Then I'll be adding half of the garlic powder. Next, I'll be adding the sea salt. Not too much. Next, I'll be chopping up the bell pepper. Let's put that to the side. I will be incorporating secret seasonings that I use to enhance the taste of my vegan cheese. Add any other seasoning that you wish. Seasoning that I usually use in there. You can, I forgot to tell you guys, but you can incorporate a pinch of cayenne pepper for some kick. I use all ground natural cayenne pepper, organic cayenne pepper. If you guys are interested in the other seasonings I incorporate in my cheese, just comment down below. And even though I love using fresh ingredients as seasoning. So now, after you adjust the vegan cheese to your liking, vegan cheese mix, I will say, you can blend it up. I'm gonna start off at 1. Today I am using a Vitamix. For all of you that know, this is like the best blender you can have. You can make so many different things with this blender. That could be another video for another time. Let's blend up our delicious cheese mix. So I can taste it. I want to see if it's too liquidy or if it's thick enough. So let's taste it. But first, let me show you how it looks. Wow, this looks so nice. But look at this. It looks exactly like cheese. I love the color. How we got the color is by using bell pepper and the nutritional yeast. Let's taste it. Oh, wow. That tastes really, really good. Let's grab another utensil to show you guys the. So right here, you would blend up the cheese mix for like about 30 minutes. For me, I like my cheese to be thick. As you can see here, it's not so thick. Don't worry. You can either add chia seeds, flaxseed, or you can do agar powder. I don't have agar powder to show you, but you can find it in your grocery store or natural store. So what you do, if you want to make it thick, you add 3 tablespoons of agar powder. Then you place water in a small saucepan, bring to a boil, add the agar powder, and stir until it's thick. When it becomes a thick liquid, you add it to the cheese mix, blend it up, and you should have thick cheese. And voila, there you go. So as you can see, the mix is this delicious yellow color. I'm just so happy on how this came out. I'm so excited. I will be making mac and cheese with this. You can make nachos, you can make quesadillas, you can make mac and cheese. You can make so many different recipes with this cheese. Be sure to comment down below what you thought of this video. Please comment if you want me to do any other videos. Please comment if you tried to make this recipe and how it turned out. Be sure to add me in my social medias to send me pictures and to let me know how it went. But thank you guys for watching. I had so much fun making this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video with Cooking with Jo.